Hi, we're here. Marian.
M. M for the M.
Ako muna. Ako muna.
N.
And S, Sam. I love it.
Oh, Mom.
I really love it. Look.
Green.
With our blanket.
Mm.
Our shorts, because we will go in the penthouse later to swim.
Ay,
Of course.
green for the gay.
Nom nom nom. This will have shade.
Come here, Samantha.
Oh wait, I'm going to show you something.
We're here in New
We're here in New York. Look what we've got. Let's open the window.
No. Nakatubalan tayo.
Look, here in New York, it's just so awesome. It's billions of stars. This is the giant condominium there. Condominium. Okay. That dark part is the golf course.
Yung pinakamataas.
That's
Yun ang-
ours.
Oo.
Okay. Now, this is our permanent.
Wow. Val, halika dito.
Yan.
Val.
CR.
Halika dito, Val.
Uy, look mo yan. Tara mo. Ang galing. Okay? Ang ganda. Kakabundok.
Malo.
Yan. That's Quick Carly. That's my bed. This is Ate Grace.
It turns out to be like that. So nice. Bale, dito ka, oh.
This is where we will sleep.
Ang galing ah.
Hi.
Ang galing.
Saan galing yun?
Dito. Ito pa. Ang galing.
Incredible. Amazing. Amazing stories.
So we'll sleep here. I think
Oh.
you three girls should sleep there. Mommy, Man, and Sam, and then Val and Dad here.
Alam ni Carl na ganyan.
No. We didn't know it's like this.
Ano yun? Dala na yung papa niya?
No, I think they got it. Val, meron ka bang pang ano? Yeah. No
Itong tequila na. Diyan
We'll put a dirty clothes underneath.
This looks so fragile.
Yeah, it break already.
Really scratched. Where to wear some chinelos? Andyan yung chinelos nyo lang.
Maybe you can just wear slippers.
Yeah. Power strip. I should take it.
Yeah, we'll go back here anyway. This is a nice study table.
Sabi ni Dana, pag daw siya mag-aaral dyan, hindi na makapag-aaral, tutulog na lang.
What's this? Coconut liquor. Liqueur. Oh, 18%. Looks sad though.
I think it should be room temperature, yeah.
I don't think he'll drink it. He's just keeping it.
Yeah.
My
Ang
dad,
tahimik.
he says,
Okay, let's go back. Aray ko, masakit. Wait, hindi pa tayo tapos. Yan. This is our living room. This is the air can. This is Mr. and Mrs. Pacho. That's my painting. Okay, so nice. But ouch. Change the decor. Yan, ito po si Mami. Misu. Electric stove. Uy, ang daming kama. Ba't ang daming kama? Dito na lang to. Pang-made pala to. Ay! School tayong This is the maid's room. Okay. Ito yung CR ng mga maid. I will turn on the...
Wala na.
Okay. Natin. Yan. Balikan na natin. Ba't wala akong tsinelas? Nasuot. Wait lang. Wait lang. Nagbe-video pa kami. I-upload ko to. Ito yung kwarto namin. Ano ginawa ito? Ano?
Oh, baby.
Ako naman.
Kami, baby, kami. Dito ka. Okay na? Ha? Okay?
Resume? Resume lang ha.
Patingin nga. Ay, so good.
Come baby, come baby, come baby, come baby.